Hello everyone! Today we will cook simple and easy recipe. Kare-kare. Mag-isa lang ng bawang at sibuyas. Until maamoy mo yung aroma niya. Just keep stirring it para hindi siya ma-overdone. And then, maglalagay tayo ng tomato powder. Dissolve lang sa oil until makuha natin yung mag-spread yung color niya. It's just a chweti. It's called a chweti sa atin sa Pinas. And then mix everything. Maglagay ng broth. Actually, ito po ay galing doon sa beef, doon sa pinalambot nating beef. Kung gaano karami yung vegetables, ganun ang ilalagay nating broth. Kuluin, takpan, and then ilagay yung beef na pinalambot. Ilagay tayo ng seasoning, kahit na anong gusto nating ilagay. It's our choice. Then stir. Takpan ulit. And the secret is the peanut butter. I used the Chinese peanut butter, which is walang sugar. It's plain peanut butter. Maglagay lang according sa gusto nating flavor. More peanut, more sticky. Then mix. Cover, let it simmer. Paminta. Then, we will add our vegetables. Nag-fry lang ako ng eggplant, nag-boil ako ng sitaw, string beans, and pechay. You can also add banana blossom, which is rarely here in Korea, so ito na lang ang minix kong gulay. And then, mix it up, let it simmer. It's almost done. So, to add flavor, just a little bit of bagoong. Then you can serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.